The China Walk Vibrant Hainan joint interview and seminar for ASEAN member countries officially opened today at the CMG Conference Hall in Hainan, China. In his remarks, the head of the Hainan Provincial Publicity Department said that the presence of ASEAN media in Hainan will help promote the province to the public. He highlighted that Hainan will launch a low-tax entry port and create opportunities for Asian countries, as the Chinese government will offer visa-free access to citizens of 85 countries in Southeast Asia. Meanwhile, Wang Bin and Zhang Hui, deputy directors of CMG's Asia and Africa Center, expressed their appreciation for the participation of Asian media outlets, including Timor-Leste, which is set to become an ASEAN member in October. They emphasized that cooperation between CMG and Asian media will continue to strengthen in the future. The opening ceremony was attended by representatives of 16 media organizations from 9 countries, with more than 30 participants in total. After the ceremony, the program will continue with visits to the Huazhou-based science and technology city in southern Hainan, located close to Thailand and Vietnam.